What if I told you that a healthy, hearty dinner could be ready faster than ordering takeout and cost a fraction of the price? Welcome to AI Easy Recipes. Join me as we create a one-pan wonder that's packed with nutrients and comfort. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to eat well without breaking the bank. Let's get cooking with Gemini. Hi, Gemini. I would like to prepare a main entree for 4 people. I will be using one pan to cook this meal. My guests have no allergies. I would love the recipe to be comfort food. Some things to keep in mind. The meal needs to be healthy and nutritious. Feel free to include chicken. Please also include a shopping list. Looking forward to tasting our appetizing meal.
Hey everyone! Today we're making a budget-friendly one-pan chicken dish, but we're skipping the root vegetables and focusing on some other comforting flavors. Think savory, think delicious, and think super easy. We're making one-pan chicken with peppers and onions. This recipe is all about using simple, everyday ingredients to create a satisfying and flavorful meal. Perfect for a weeknight dinner. Alright, let's gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, or breasts if you prefer. 2 bell peppers, any color you like, sliced. 2 onions, yellow or white, sliced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes, just dump the whole can in there. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. And some cooked rice, pasta, or crusty bread for serving. Totally optional, but highly recommended. Now let's get cooking. Here's how we're gonna do it. First, let's prep the veggies. Preheat that oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Grab a big oven-safe pan and toss the sliced bell peppers and onions with half a tablespoon of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread them out in an even layer. Next, we're gonna sear the chicken. Season those chicken thighs with oregano, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. In the same pan, make some space, add the other half tablespoon of olive oil, and sear the chicken on both sides until it's golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. We want that nice color. Now let's add the garlic and tomatoes. Toss the minced garlic into the pan and cook it for about 30 seconds until it smells amazing. Then pour the whole can of diced tomatoes over everything in the pan. Into the oven it goes. Put the pan in the preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are nice and tender. And finally, let's serve it up. Serve the chicken and vegetables over cooked rice, pasta, or with some crusty bread to soak up all that delicious sauce. It's gonna be so good. And there you have it, a super simple, budget-friendly, and delicious one-pan chicken dish. Find the full shopping list, the recipe, cook time, and some handy nutritional tips in the description below. Enjoy your delicious and budget-friendly meal.
Thank you, Gemini. Let me know in the comments what recipe you'd like to see Gemini share next. Enjoy your delicious creation, and see you in the next recipe. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes.